Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook slow cooker chicken. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this incredibly simple recipe. You will need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, which are perfect for shredding later. We will also use 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, and 1 packet of dry Italian dressing mix. This combination creates a rich, flavorful sauce with very little effort, ensuring a delicious and satisfying meal. Now, let's prepare our chicken for cooking. Begin by gently patting your chicken breasts dry with a paper towel. This helps the seasonings adhere better. Lightly season the chicken with just a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper on both sides. In a separate bowl, combine the can of cream of chicken soup, the 1/4 cup of chicken broth, and the entire packet of dry Italian dressing mix, whisking until smooth. Pour this aromatic mixture evenly over the chicken in your slow cooker insert. With your ingredients prepped and in the pot, it is time for the slow cooker to do its magic. Secure the lid tightly on your slow cooker. For best results and the most tender chicken, cook on a low temperature setting for approximately 6 to 8 hours. If you are short on time, you can cook it on a high temperature setting for about 3 to 4 hours instead. The chicken is perfectly done when it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit and shreds effortlessly with 2 forks. Once your chicken is perfectly cooked and shredded in its delicious sauce, it is ready to be enjoyed in many ways. This versatile chicken pairs wonderfully over a bed of fluffy white rice, creamy mashed potatoes, or even your favorite pasta. It also makes incredible hot sandwiches when piled on a toasted buns, or a lighter option when served in crisp lettuce wraps. For a fresh touch, stir in some chopped fresh parsley or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.